Welcome to Mushroom Solutions, your trusted partner in clinical research automation. Log into the system using nurse login credentials. Navigate to the Worksheets section and select the eConsent category. Choose the standard eConsent worksheet, which serves as the standardized template for electronic consent. Complete the required fields. Select Participant. Choose the participant from the drop-down. The associated clinical site will populate automatically based on the participant's linked site. Select Study. Choose the relevant study from the provided list. Select Procedure. Based on the selected study, the procedure options will appear accordingly. Upon study selection, all relevant study-specific details will be automatically generated and displayed for your review. A personalized educational video, tailored to the selected study, will be presented to help you better understand the study objectives and procedures. After watching the video, a short comprehension quiz must be completed. If all quiz answers are correct, the platform will allow you to digitally sign the consent form. This process ensures that consent is truly informed, enhancing clarity, ensuring regulatory compliance, and building participant trust. Visit our website or contact us directly. With Mushroom Solutions, make life better.